This week in the frame shop, we got a call from Brianna at Hue Design, and she said, "Can you mount some trunks on the wall for me?" And we said, well, sure, why not? So she sent us this link to Home Depot, and who knew that you could buy trunks from Home Depot? They have all kinds of weird stuff on their website. So we ordered this set of trunks, shipped to store, went and picked it up. So now we have to figure out how to get these on the wall. So let's go back in the frame shop and see what we can do. Okay, so you got to be fearless. Okay, here's our result. So we've cut these down to 5 inches in depth. Alternately, we could have staggered the depths, but in this case, they're all the same. So I'll show you what we did on the back here. So we just made a wood frame that we've placed inside the box to secure it. The top and bottom are two different pieces, so this keeps everything together. And then we just put a cleat on it. So really pretty simple, and I think they turned out really nicely. And that leaves us with the back side of the trunk over here. So maybe you could make a planter out of it, I don't know, but it kind of seems a shame to throw this away. So if you have something that you want us to chop up and put on the wall for you, get in touch with us, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time in the frame shop.